Sometimes hope doesn't break all at once. It fades quietly, slipping away through small moments when effort stops feeling worth it. You try and nothing changes. You plan and it falls apart. After a while, your mind starts whispering, "Why bother?" Psychologists call this learned helplessness, a state where repeated disappointment convinces you that your actions don't matter, even when they still do. But that belief isn't truth. It's a protective habit your mind picked up along the way, a way to shield you from feeling the sting of trying again. The first step in rebuilding hope is noticing the story you're repeating to yourself. When you think, "Nothing I do matters," pause and ask, "Is that real? Or am I just tired right now?" One small action can break the pattern. One moment of effort can shift the story. That's how hope returns, not all at once, but breath by breath. If this helped you notice your own hope a little more clearly, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment about what you're choosing to try again. If you're ready to rebuild hope with clarity and confidence, join the waitlist for upcoming workshops and courses. You'll learn tools that help you act with purpose, rebuild trust in your efforts, and move towards your future with greater clarity.